Hey everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2025 Audi Q7 55 Prestige Quattro TFSI. So a pretty cool interior in here. Classic Audi Q7 design. Of course, you have the digital gauge cluster, you know, with the virtual cockpit and everything like that. I think it has it, yeah. You have paddle shifter behind the steering wheel, 2-screen setup, pretty, as I said, pretty standard Audi interior in here. Ventilated seats and heated seats. And you have massage activation, which is cool. Change the intensity and everything like that. And I like the feedback you get from the screen. This vehicle also has a 360-degree camera system with good resolution, and you also have the really cool 3D view of the vehicle to show you around the car. Now let's look at the window sticker real quick. 2025 Audi Q7 55 TFSI Quattro Prestige, 3-liter TFSI V6 engine with 8-speed Tiptronic transmission with Quattro all-wheel drive. 19-inch 5-arm star wheel design, which we'll take a look at when we look at the outside of the vehicle. You have a 40 or 50,000 mile warranty with this car. Prestige package is $12,000, which is pretty insane. You have Bang & Olufsen premium sound system in this vehicle. Air suspension, HD matrix LED headlights with Audi laser lights. So you have Valcona Cricket leather interior, luxury package with Dynamica headliner, which is like suede or Alcantara. Extended leather package, so all over the dash. It's like extended leather in like BMWs. You have leather all over the dash and the door, so you have a lot of soft touch materials in this car. Black optic package, which is basically a sporty trim, which will give you like the black exterior trim, black exhaust tips and all that stuff, and just makes the car look a lot cooler outside. And this vehicle had a total MSRP of $86,600. 20 mpg combined, 18 city, 23 highway. But it looks pretty cool. Let's walk around the car and see what it looks like now. Here are the AC controls. It's finished in this really nice metallic blue exterior, and it even says Q7 TFSI Quattro on the doors, which is nice. Black optic package will give you that black grille. Looks real sporty. And I like the wheels, they look really cool. This is a good looking SUV, that's for sure. And here are the rear seats on this vehicle. You also have like the black or gray Audi rings, which will come with the, I believe, black optic package. And here's the trunk. Pretty good space with the, I believe it's a 3-row SUV. Not too familiar. I'm honestly not all that familiar with Audis, but yeah, this has to be 3 rows. But let's get it out on the road and see how it drives. Pretty hot day today, so those ventilated seats are going to come in handy for me. I'll change the view, dry modes, and put it in dynamic mode. But let's go. Leather steering wheel feels really good. Nice. Very nice. And you also have a nice panoramic sunroof. I don't know if I mentioned that. But yeah, the ride is very, very smooth, even with this dynamic mode on. Feels really nice. Yeah, look at that, seamless acceleration. You also have a wireless charging tray, which is in the glove box. So if you want to use it, you can't really access your phone. But if you want to stay away from your phone while driving and just want to use your Apple CarPlay, that's a pretty good thing. Definitely much better for non-distracted driving. Yeah, like I'm very impressed with how smooth the ride is. It feels really, really soft, and by soft I mean like suspension feels great. It feels sporty and everything. I'm just mean like the ride is like smooth and soft, and it doesn't feel like it feels very refined and luxurious. So I'm like a BMW guy, as you all know. I'm not really a big Mercedes or Audi guy. So I'm honest, I need to get more familiar with Audis. But yeah, like compared to an X5, this feels pretty on par with that. I definitely like the way this drives over the Mercedes competition. Like this feels way sportier, which I like. It feels comfortable and sporty like an X5 does, but like a Mercedes rival, the suspension, unless you get like an AMG model, the suspension's kind of soft and the car doesn't have the same you know, sporty handling and dynamics that I'd like. So I like this car. And yeah, this specific one's really nice. It's a great spec with the Prestige package and black optic package and really nice exterior and interior color combo. The dark blue with the black, can't really go wrong with it. And these seats feel really comfortable. It was an upcharge on the window sticker for these seats, so. Yeah, very, very satisfied with this drive, and also I really like the massaging seats. It's giving me like a little comfort for my lower back. I mean, you can't expect massaging seats in a car to be anything crazy, but as long as it gives you like a good little feeling, helps you feel a little active in the seat, that's really all that you need. And you also have a head-up display, which shows you your speed limit, the cars in the lane and everything, in the lanes and everything like that. And plus, like if you play music and everything, you should be able to see that in there too. I remember it's like some Audis with the premium Bang & Olufsen system, they used to have the speakers that rose out of the dash. I don't know if they still do that. I don't see that in this car. But I really like the extended leather. The extended leather definitely makes an interior look more premium. And like, you know, like I like to rest my hand on the door a lot like this, regardless of whatever car I'm driving. So I like having leather to touch. Feels really premium as opposed to having like plastic or something like that. Yeah, I'm really liking this Q7, guys. It's a great car. Feels real similar to an X5. I do think the BMW X5 accelerates better and the transmission's better, but handling wise and everything, this is close to it. Let's just put it in automatic mode now. You still have an all-road mode if you want to drive on, like, you know, different terrains, gravel. I guess you could use that in ice and everything too, or in bad weather if you want. If you're driving on muddy roads. Now you get that initial lag in the acceleration, which you don't get in a BMW. That's one thing. As I said, I like the transmission in the X5 a lot better than this one. But overall, really enjoyed driving this 2025 Audi Q7 Prestige. Thank you for watching another video of Droop Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice luxury SUVs like this one.